everybody, this is x-boxgamer 269 and welcome to another Call of Duty Advanced Warfare video. And I am carrying on doing my challenge series. If you didn't see my last video, it is uploaded at the moment. And it is called I don't know, but Call of Duty AW stands for Advanced Warfare. Call of Duty AW Challenge Series Sniper Only Challenge. No, without a challenge on the end. So yeah, I'm going to be doing a pistol only challenge. So yeah, I'm trying to go on to class. Where is it? What class? What class do I don't want? I should have come prepared. Don't want that. So I'm getting rid of everything, as you guys can see. So pistol only. No. Pistol only. I'm just gonna go for that, just because I want to. No reason. Tactical knife on it, and I'm going to have. No, not going to have tactical knife then, because I want dual wields. Dual wield, and I'm going to have extended mag so I don't run out. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, I'm going to be playing with bots because I don't have an Xbox Live account on this profile. 5 on their team. I forgot to do that. Regular, is that? Oh, no, I'm not doing hardens, so yeah, you can see that. Team deathmatch, map retreat, let's get straight onto it. It is loading. Sorry if that is a bit blurry for you. Hopefully not, though, hopefully not. I'm sorry that I haven't been putting up videos too much. It's because, like, I haven't had the time for it. But I will be putting them up quite regularly now. I'm just going to turn that down a bit. Sorry about that. Don't worry. Oops. He's gonna kill his own teammate. I haven't got one kill yet. At the moment, if I was using normal guns, I would have probably had loads of kills by now. Oh god! Oh no. Had two guys on me. Thumper. These are my team, I'm going to say it. So I've got Neptune, Jester, myself, Thumper and Twister. On their team it's Poet, Como, Roaster, Zero and Jeward. I can't believe I just died them. I see someone. Oh my god, what the hell? What gun has he got? Why was he green? Jabus, mate. I'm going to be dying a lot in this. I'm going to get up there. I'm also going to be using my knife. I was trying to wallbang him. Don't scare me like that. 2 kills, yeah. Oh god, I know where it is now. You can't shoot me, you can't shoot me. Whoops. Maybe you can shoot me, maybe you can shoot me. No, you cannot lose control. Jester, if I see you die, then I'm not gonna go. Mate, you're still not dead. But I died! Yeah, how many kills have I got? 3. Wow. I attracted the attention of 2 people and I went for the wrong person. Gonna try and flank him. I did say that, well, I was saying it in my head that it's gonna come out that way. Oh crap! Ran out of ammo. Oh, strafe. Oh god. Low ammo. I'm gonna have to go using my knife. Oh, I just jumped off the edge. Oh, dodge, dodge, dodge. Ah, oh, crap. Oh, dang it. Why can't I jump off the edge? Off the edge. Ah, I just done the splits. That must have hurt. Did I just see somebody? Nope. That's my kill. So good. Oh god, I saw that guy. No! Oh well. Try to kills for you guys. Tied, 31 to 31. Sorry. So sorry guys. I don't know why I was running into a wall. Oh god, hopefully that isn't for me. I should have got scavenger on. But I wanted to go 3. Oh, Jesus Christ. No, I'm so crap. I'm good, but not with this. You see, I'm just crap with that gun. Well, I'm crap with pistols. I'm good with pistols as a backup weapon, but... not as actually your main weapon. I just thought someone. I might as well just get rid of that. What place am I? 7 to 14. Hey, that's a double. Oh god, I was lucky. I'm going prone. Is he gonna come? No. He's dead though. I need to go around here. I will be doing some Black Ops 2. It's just because my Black Ops 2 doesn't get... I don't... Like, my Black Ops 2 doesn't work. But on Friday, I will be posting the Black Ops... I will be putting the Black Ops 2 video up on YouTube. See if you guys are looking forward to that. That sounds... You listen really careful. You ready? So I'm on this switch. It makes like a knife sound. He tried to get the head glitch on me. It's not gonna work. Maybe it's gonna work. But at least it didn't get the head glitch on me. Sucker. Wait 1 second. I'm just gonna see if I can actually do this. Oh, dang it. That worked. Probably could. Dang it. Hello. Are we? No, we're losing. Oh, I thought someone was there. Oh. Oh, if I got that kill. Punch and then I got a 9. Strafe. Kill from above. I wanna get the final kill. I doubt I will get the final kill. Yes. No. I got to get the final. No, I'm not got it. Textbook, really? We've only won by 1 gun. Black and white. That was the kill which he got that with. Javis. He didn't need to shoot that much. So yeah, that is the end of this video, and the next one will be up really soon. So yeah, I hope you guys are looking forward to that, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye. I got 13 to 16. Bye, and 3 assists. Bye.